I'll be showing you how to disassemble and assemble a Glock 23 KJW. What you will need is Q-tips to clean it, if you want to clean, and more lube. Any kind of lube should do good if that's silicone. So what you're first going to want to do is that the pistol has to be cocked before you take it out. So let me just do it really fast. And then you're going to want to push down this and that is the lever, both at the same time. You're supposed to slide off like that. So you can just press it. So basically, this part's already disassembled unless, if you know, I've taken this fully apart to back to it, but I don't want to spend the time. So if you want me to show you, then I can do that later. Just tell me. Alright. So the top side, what you're first gonna want to do is right here, pull it back. Like that. And let's try to take it out from right here. And then you're gonna want to push these two away from each other and then push this forward. See how it starts forward? And then you can just take that out. So this is the hopper. Nothing else can be taken out unless you really want to take everything out. So there are 4 parts, that's 5. Okay, so now reassemble. I'll show you right now. Just put it back in basically. Good. So we want to put the front end first through the hole, push it back there. Then you're going to want to push it, put that in. Okay, so after you push that in, you push this back, or go back, trust me. Push it, and there's a little slot for it to go. There. And then you're going to want to push this back on the bottom side. So now I'll show you how to put this back on. So that's how you disassemble and reassemble. Then you can clean the inside, if you want to, and lube it.